Hi, welcome to Grow to Succeed. Let me ask a few questions. Are you growing to succeed? Are you helping the nation to grow to succeed? Do you know how you can help yourself and the nation to grow and succeed? Remember, your growth to success is directly connected to the growth and success of the nation. Congratulations, you have the power to share your valuable power, that is, the power of casting your valuable vote to the right leader, who can then utilize that power and work towards a better, brighter future for everyone. Your voice matters. Your choice matters in building the nation. Let me share some of the key aspects you need to consider while casting your valuable vote. Number one, intention. Consider the intentions of the candidates or political parties before casting your valuable vote. Look for candidates who genuinely care about the welfare of the people and are committed to serving the public rather than the personal gain or power. Number two, truthfulness. Evaluate the honesty and integrity of the candidates. Look for candidates who have a track record for being truthful and transparent in their actions and promises. Number three, faithfulness. Examine the commitment of the candidates to fulfill their campaign promises once elected. Choose candidates who have a history of being faithful to their commitments and following through on their pledges. Number four, education. Assess the candidates' plans and policies related to education. Look for candidates who prioritize investments in education, including improving access to quality education for all, ensuring adequate resources for schools, and promoting lifelong learning opportunities. Number five, health. Consider the candidates' proposals for healthcare reform and access to healthcare services. Choose candidates who prioritize public health initiatives, healthcare affordability, and equitable access to healthcare for all citizens. Number six, basic facilities. Evaluate the candidates' plans for infrastructure development, including access to clean water, reliable electricity, and well-maintained roads. Vote for candidates who prioritize infrastructure projects that improve the quality of life for all citizens. Number seven, eradication of poverty. Look for candidates who have concrete plans to address poverty and inequality. Choose candidates who support policies that promote economic growth, job creation, social welfare programs, and opportunities for upward mobility. Number eight, job creation. Consider the candidates' strategies for promoting job creation and economic prosperity. Vote for candidates who have plans to stimulate economic growth, attract investment, and create employment opportunities for all segments of society. Number nine, harmony and brotherhood. Support candidates who advocate for social cohesion, unity, and harmony among diverse communities. Choose candidates who promote inclusivity, tolerance, and respect for all individuals, regardless of race, religion, or ethnicity. Number 10, empowerment of citizens. Look for candidates who prioritize citizen empowerment and participation in decision-making processes. Choose candidates who support civic engagement, transparency, and accountability in governance. Number 11, women's safety and security. Evaluate the candidate's commitment to ensuring the safety and security of women. Support candidates who have plans to combat gender-based violence, promote gender equality, and empower women economically and socially. Number 12, justice for all. Consider the candidate's stance on promoting justice, equality, and the rule of law. Vote for candidates who advocate for fair and impartial judicial systems, protection of human rights, and accountability for wrongdoing. Finally, as a first time or regular voters, remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Your vote is not just a civic duty, but a powerful tool to shape the future of the societies, communities, and the nation. By considering the values of intention, truthfulness, faithfulness, and the well being of all citizens, you can make a difference in choosing the right leaders who will work towards a better, brighter future for everyone. I hope this session was quite useful and informative. And I believe this session has given you the right direction in choosing the right leaders and casting your valuable vote to the right leaders who will play a very, very important role in building the nation and taking our nation to the next level. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best.